This is the Frugal Gardener. Welcome back to my workstation in the garden. I'm showing you something different today. Different because I'm showing you something that I did not grow. These are humongous zucchinis grown by the Frugal son-in-law and the Frugal daughter. They're up in Ohio. They dropped these off as a gift about a week ago. And I was about to weigh them because we were curious to see how much they weighed. But I decided to make a contest out of it. If I get enough responses, I have a gift that I want to give to you guys. Well, whoever the winner is. It's something for the garden. And in about a week, I'm going to post the results of the weigh-in. In fact, I'm going to record the weigh-in. And whoever comes closest, whoever gives me the closest answer first, will win the prize. So, time to post your guesses below, and we'll see who comes the closest. This is the Frugal Gardener. I'm not going to be out here very long. This is ridiculous. So, just wanted to get you guys going. Here we are. Catch you in about a week. Have a good day.